I woke up craving for banana bread by watching a YouTube shorts, so let's do it. I tried the viral apple cake and that was a disaster like my last relationship, so hoping for this banana cake to turn out like my current relationship.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. Same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time, no. I don't wanna waste my time, no. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you.
It looks so good, and also look at how fluffy it is. Now let's make some tea. I love having banana bread with tea. It tastes good too. It requires very less ingredients and it's so easy to make. I think I'm gonna make it more often. I have been watching this new series on Apple TV, Presumed Innocent. The series is dark and twisted murder mystery, just like the way I like it. Only 3 episodes have been released, but I'm loving it so far. I'm making a baby dress today. I am excited and also worried because this is my second time making a baby dress. I'm making it for my husband's cousin sister's baby. I followed a YouTube video on how to make the bodies for babies. I'll link it if you want to check it out. I just added panels in the front and the back to add a ruffle over here. That's the front bodice and this is the back bodice. In the middle I have cut it so that I can add zipper. And then I cut out two straps of fabric. I'm gonna add basting stitches on both the straps and create gather. I took the center part of the front bodice and the center part of the back bodice and stitched it around shoulders, and then attached the ruffle on both the sides. I also ended up stitching the edges of the ruffle. This looks so cute already. It looks like a butterfly for me. Oh look, it's flying as well. Next, I took out the side panels of the front and the back and stitched it at shoulder. Next, I attached the side panels to the middle part of the bodice. Now open this up and place the lining fabric and pin it all over as shown in the video, and stitch it everywhere except the bottom part.
Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are, and it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. I did it all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. Nights without sleeping 'cause you fear the night.
Next, stitch on both the sides, and once that's done, this is how it will look. Now I need to just add the below part of the dress. Before that, let's eat something. Since it's weekend, I'm going rogue. I'm preparing cheesy nachos. I added some chopped onions, tomatoes and olives, and then topped it with loads of cheese. I kept it in the oven for just 1 minute and the cheesy nachos will be ready. I also ended up making guacamole, which I forgot to record. My friend who came from Japan gave me matcha. I tried it for the first time with ice cubes and cold water. It was nice, but I heard you should have it like green tea, as in with hot water. So that's what I'm gonna make today. Since I was done with Presumed Innocent series, I'm watching Slow Horses on Apple TV. It's a spy series. The characters are so good. My favorite is Cartwright. He's fantastic at grabbing the viewer's attention. Lamb is also really good with his witty dialogues. If you like spy thriller, you should definitely check this one out. Oh, also, I liked matcha with hot water. Turns out, matcha is nothing but a variety of green tea. You can say it's a fancier version of green tea. Let's get back to sewing now. I gathered the below part of the dress and then stitched it to the yoke part. And once that's done, I added the zipper and then stitched the remaining part of it and then double fold the edges and stitched it. My battery died, so I did not record any of that. And also I forgot to record the end result, so this is the only clip I have. This is how it came out and I'm so happy with it. It's so pretty and I'm in love with it.